What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills Kicks and I'm back with another video today. So actually I got this package coming all the way from Italy. This sneaker store called Dope Factory. Actually I was just on my computer and it just popped up on my Discord and I was like, oh shoot, and I was surprised to see what sneaker it was. I've been wanting these from back in October when they were supposed to release in the statesides, but they have yet to release. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's the Nike Air Max 95 Freddy Kruegers. So I'm like excited. I haven't even opened the package yet, but we're gonna open it up together and we're gonna get the first look at these bad boys right here. So here's the box. Let's get into it. And while I'm doing this, I just want to say, please make sure to rate, comment, subscribe. Help my videos grow. Together we are gonna look at these puppies, but anything to help my algorithm. So if you want, you can also share my videos. That would be beautiful. And first off, right out the box, we got the Air Max, just a regular Nike orange box, red box. Here's the red box, as you can see on the size tag there. Nike Air Max 95 size 12, and that is velvet brown, university red, of course, because it came from overseas. There is no price tag on it. Man, when I saw these pop up, I was like, oh my god. I'm gonna try my fastest to get them, and luckily I was able to get through. So we're gonna do this together from the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Open this up. Like I said, shout out to Dope Factory. Let's see if this shows. Dope Factory right there. They came all the way from Italy. I ordered this. It literally came in about, what's today, the 15th? 2 days. It took 2 days to get here. Oh my god. Ooh. Man, oh man. This is crazy, man. Wow, let me just take a second to take this in real quick. Oh my goodness, what the fudge is going on here? These are crazy, man. Here, okay, so there they go. Nike Air Max 95 Freddy Kruegers. I am like the happiest right now, man, because I wanted these when they first came out overseas back in October, but I had a lot going on. I checked, most of the sites was like at 3 in the morning, so I was asleep. I had to go to work or whatever, so I didn't really get a chance to check for them. By the time I woke up and checked, they were all gone, sold out. But man, the details, the details, you know, yeah, I know if you follow me, I know I love my details, and these got some crazy details, man. I can't believe I got these. Check them out. Whew, look at that. Man, okay. So, sorry, I'm a little overwhelmed right now, but let's get into it. Start with the bottom. You got your black outsole with your red. Kind of looks like Freddy stepped in some blood right there. It's kind of dope. Then you got your bubble that's showing right here. It does also say Nike Air right there in the bubble, and you see the blood splatter, little dots of blood splatter. You got that midsole right there. It's like a I think it's like a top. Like, no, not a top. It's like a off-white. It's like a dark cream. I don't know. It's a weird color. It's like a brownish, creamish. Let's see if you guys can get it from the video. I'm trying to get this camera to focus. There you go. You can see if you guys can see it. It's a nice color, man. And then you got that hairy suede on the toe. Look at that hairy suede on that toe, man. Tell me these ain't fire. I don't know anybody that could tell me that these ain't fire. Y'all let me know in the comments below, but I think these are amazing. And then of course you got your like this is like a canvas, but it feels like burlap and stuff. It's really nice. You got that brown with the black right there, the two stripes brown with black. This right here is like a burgundy blood color, like dry blood, again with the burlap looking and the burgundy. And then this red swoosh is like blood. It's a real red swoosh. Then over here, in here, the mesh is olive. It's like an olive color. You see, I hope that it catches it, because it's not like that burlap on the side. It's an olive color. And then you got on that tongue, that silver represents the claws with the blood splatter on it too, man. And then on the tongue you got your plaid with your Air Max on there with that light cream with that olive brownish color, Air in red and Max in black. Oh man, details is crazy on these. I still can't believe I was able to get these. But and on the back you got your Nike Air, and then this light is so bright. There you go, you got your Nike Air and your blood splatter going down to the silver, which is the claw representation of the claws again. So it's a claw going all the way from the front to the back. And I mean, sheesh. And then on the insole, see that Nike swoosh in there with the blood splatter coming off of it? Man, details on these is just insane. Insane to me. And these little these are like little cream eye for the laces. And I just, oh man, the whole tongue is actually plaid. And then of course there's a few things about these. You see you got that stitching on the back of this one. You got that stitching that is stitched together there, but on the left shoe you got the stitching only on the front right here. As you can see, that stitching right there. Your bubbles are red all the way around, red bubbles. I mean, I don't know if a lot of y'all knew. Well, also you got the olive laces. I forgot to say about the olive laces. It all ties in. It doesn't look exactly like Freddy's outfit, but it kind of does, because when you're mixing that olive green kind of gives it that Freddy look. But I don't know. I don't think these are gonna release stateside. I mean, it's already been what? October. It's already been almost 4 months, right? October, November, December, January. About 3 months, and they never released them. So when I saw them pop up on Dope Factory, I just said I have to get them. So I scooped them up, man. And once again, these will stay in the collection, man. I'm super excited about these, man. I don't understand how bad I wanted these. Because as we all know, if you were Nike and you know SBs, you know the Freddy SBs was scrapped back in the day, and only sample pairs made it out, and people snuck out pairs instead of burning them and whatnot. So this was a definite want for me, and a way that I couldn't get them, and all of a sudden they just pop up on the site. I mean, it's a good thing. It's a good day, and they came in 2 days, so I was able to make this video for y'all, and for y'all to see it, and for y'all to check them out, and y'all let me know what y'all think, man. These are good. These are good to go. This is a cop. I know this definitely I will be rocking on Halloween this year, because usually Nike doesn't release the Halloween shoe until on Halloween. So whatever we get next, you won't even be able to wear it on Halloween. But I'll definitely be wearing these on Halloween, that's for sure. These ain't going nowhere. This is a pickup that I wanted last year and couldn't get. So for me to get them in January, right now, oh my God, it's crazy. There we go, that's the thumbnail. So, I mean, like I said, guys, this is it. This is the pickup. Got them from Dope Factory. They're here, they're in my hands. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that notification bell for when I post more videos. And I'm out. Peace.